explorers! It's me, Eggbert. Today I'm walking on a big hill. The grass is wet and the clouds just passed. It smells like rain out here. But wait, look at the ground. There's mud sliding down the hill, and even small rocks are tumbling. Huh? That's not normal. Let's take a closer look. Let's explore the clues. Clue 1, the ground is soaked from rain. Clue 2, trees and rocks are starting to tilt. Clue 3, mud is moving downhill fast. The hill is moving! But hills don't just move. Something must be causing this. I'm not alive, but I still run. I tumble down when rain is done. I carry trees and rocks with me. What sliding mess do people flee? Whoa! A sliding mess that carries trees and rocks? That sounds serious. When too much rain soaks into the ground, the earth can't hold itself together. It gets too heavy and starts to slide. Sometimes this happens after a storm, or even during an earthquake. Whole parts of a hill or mountain can tumble down. If you live near a hill and see cracks or leaning trees, tell an adult. And if the ground starts to move, get far away, fast! It's best to stay inside and away from hills during big storms. Did you solve the riddle? That sliding mess is called a landslide. Landslides can be fast and scary, but we can plant trees and build safe paths to help stop them. What if the sky stayed hot for days and the ground cracked like puzzle pieces? We'll find out next time on Sky Wonders.